thing. Yeah, good morning comrades. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to sunny Nürburgring. In case you're not following me on Instagram, which I highly suggest you would be doing, and you're wondering what's up with Pancake, she cut her paw open, and I honestly blame it on the trash that has been left by people from Rock am Ring, because like currently the place is covered in glass and glass shatters from all the beer bottles, etc. So there is that. I'll make a separate video on that, and I don't blame just the people for it. So I mean, everyone has a bit of responsibility to it, so I will explain more in depth what I think the issue is. But let's not start on the bad note, let's start on a good note. How are you doing? I genuinely want to hear how you're doing, because we haven't had this type of conversation in the last couple of months. And yesterday, when I was for the first time out on TF since 24-hour race, and even before, so many people came to me that I haven't seen or heard before and been asking how I am doing, like especially regarding my recovery. And I want to say I'm doing great, and I want to also let you know that I'm doing great, because it's really humbling. It's really great to see how much support I'm getting, but on the other hand, also by now I'm fully recovered. It's all good. I can eat, I can bite, I can chew, I can do everything. And to answer the same question like 50 times a day, how my recovery is going, it's like, it's going great, that's it. So if you want to approach me and you need an icebreaker, you don't need one. Just come ask me how I'm doing, what I'm doing today. But more importantly for me, to you, how are you doing? How's your life? Have you planned your Nürburgring trip? Or have you finished your project car? Or is it still on the jack stands? Yeah, let me know in the comments. I'm looking forward to interacting with all of you. And for the rest, yeah, it should be a beautiful day. As you can see, blue skies, not cloudy. Gonna do a couple of laps with the fastest F80, but that's going to be published separately. Now let's see what's happening here. Hello! Emotional support, dog needs emotional support. Yeah, because of the paw. You'll be fine. Well, Pancake is distracting Diana. I can take a chocolate, probably. No, I should not. Another very important update that we haven't mentioned yet. The Cupra has been rebuilt and already has done its first track day and quite some TF days as a rental. So yeah, that's amazing. Oh, by the way, check out Marta's new bike. Diana also has a bike. Maybe I should get one as well. No. That's gonna end very badly for me. But definitely would like to do a lap in this, probably somewhere later next week when it's not that busy when it comes to the rentals. And also on the track, so we can have a bit of a momentum, I would say. Don't tell Diana. In addition, you may have seen this 360 Nürburgring book. And now 360 Nürburgring book is out, which specifies purely on a racetrack, whereas this one is more about the region itself and the roads around it. So you know what, let's unwrap it quickly. The official Notchlife guide. It's full of trivia about the corner names, about the elevations, about how to take them, and also the history, of course. And also a couple of interviews with the local people, including yours truly, somewhere in there. Oh, did you know, by the way, that I am Dutch? Yep. Now, you can actually win this book because we're running a series of giveaways with Apex, so check out link in the video description or here below to enter it. Currently, we're running a giveaway together with Endless, where you can win brake fluid and a couple of merchandise. And if you don't want to wait for the giveaway, you can of course also buy the book. Go to 360roadbooks.com, and you can also use actually 360 Misha code to get some nice discount. You know what? Nice day. Let's go to the track ourselves now. Hello, MT40. Only half a tank again, because yesterday we did some laps. And you can clearly tell it by the windscreen, but luckily there is the juice, yes, to help us out. That's better. We can see things. We can see the castle from here. Woo! By the way, one thing that I really love about the M240 is that I have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, one of the largest phones you can get. Note 20 Ultra is probably a bit bigger, and it fits into the charging deck. Woohoo! You can get like a blue light to show that it's charging. Yeah, there it is. Nice. Okay, let's go. Get some pancakes.
Guten Morgen, meine Damen und Herren, herzlich willkommen an der Nürburgring-Nordschleife. Die Strecke ist ab sofort für Touristenfahrten eröffnet. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Nürburgring-Nordschleife. The track is open for tourist riding.
How coincidentally, it's 9/11 time. And plenty of 9/11s here today, I must say. Big traffic jam. Nice G3 RS, MR of course. Haven't seen this one before. License plate seems familiar, but the color definitely not. And I really like it. Really cool. I wonder if he'll have the RS6. Ooh, some art car. Imagine going on such a bike on the ring. I mean, why not? But I haven't really seen like any choppers or something, like Harleys with some big handlebars. Plenty of E36s though.
I have now 700.
700?
I change
The map?
Yeah.
Nice. It's still not too loud. Good. Wow, look at this one. R32. Cage, no helmets, proper Wangang style. Let's go get some pancakes. Oh, look at that.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Busted.
Nothing for me. I'll go get some too. And here is something that I couldn't do a couple of months ago. Biting things. New life is open, and especially biting pancakes. Love the wing. Also love the pancakes. They were very good. Right now it's already close to 11 o'clock, and it's still. Oh yeah, big turbo, bro. Hello, hello. It is still green, which means nice Calibra. This means the track is still open and there are actually no yellow zones. I have to correct myself, it's after 10 o'clock, it's not close to 11.
See you later. Bye.
Have fun with the GoPro.
Yes.
What you gonna do?
Racing video. 3 GoPros inside the car, including the helmet action, so it's gonna be really cool.
Cool, I guess we can insert some of the footage here, so enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this short impressions montage by Adrian, who was filming for Porsche Endurance Sports Cup or Porsche Sports Cup on the GP track for one of his friends. So if you want to have some video work done by us, shoot us an email or a message or something. And now let's do some car spots, I guess. Well, as mentioned, we'll be going out in this car once Christian, the owner, arrives. He's probably getting pancakes at Devil's Diner. I mean, everyone's getting pancakes. But there's a couple of other cars I want to show to you. No, it's not the AMG. It's our old rental Cupra that has been completely overhauled, rebuilt over winter by Rob, who is still not gentle with his ex-rental. This gives me much Tilo vibes. Hello, hello.
Hi.
How's the car?
Yeah, good.
Good.
Dialing it in.
Nice, nice. So just a quick one, full rebuild over winter you had, right?
Yeah.
So,
full year.
So what did you do? Everything.
Everything. Whole car, full cage, all the kinematics, a full factory rebuild on the car, like it's factory new.
Yeah.
So like it's super now. So.
Nice. The engine is still stock? Like
Still stock. Got some mods, so air intake, lighter battery, some DSG cooler, oil cooler. Those kind of things. So,
but it's mostly reliability mods and not
yeah,
increased power, because
exactly.
that's good.
We want to have the engine is driving already like 55,000 kilometers on the
Wow.
Nürburgring without anything. Only one water pump broke. So yeah, what do you want else?
Nice.
So just keep it stock, and when it breaks, then we will see.
Yeah.
more. So,
But this car basically enters its like 5th year or something of service after rental and after.
Yeah.
You have it now for how long? For 3 years now?
this is my fourth year.
Third-
Or,
yeah.
fourth,
Wow. Nice.
Yeah.
Well,
Rent it and buy it.
yeah. Enjoy it. Happy to
And
see
thanks.
it. Yeah. Give Rob a follow and try to follow him on track as well. Try.
Right.
And once the car's dialed in, I'll go with you for a lap.
Oh, definitely.
See ya. Have fun. Is your car PPF'd?
Yeah, mostly it's like PPF here and
On the inside as
things.
well.
Yeah, also like mostly the little things. Also like if you lift up throttle and you lift here, even the plates are
Oh, wow.
PPF. I got everything PPF.
PPF is very important.
Yeah.
And you can also go for a budget PPF. I like that.
It's ceramic coated.
Ah, it's ceramic coated.
Yeah.
All right.
Like I went to get PPF and they couldn't do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
How you doing? You good?
Good. You?
Yeah, I messaged you about the weather when I was last week.
All right.
Nice to meet you.
But no, you're lucky with the weather now.
Lucky.
Good.
Lucky. Literally, we're heading home today. So
Cool.
This morning I tanked it up.
All right.
Ready back for the journey in London. To London.
Cool. Well, happy to hear you had a good time. Then
Lovely time.
have a good trip back.
Misha.
See ya. That's cool. You want to do a lap later?
Voy a probar el setup,
Yeah.
new setup.
Yeah. After that. Okay. Good.
Perfect.
Yeah. See you. Is that a Supra? Actually, there are lots of Supras today. But oh, is that a Fiat? A Bart. 124 Sport. What I was saying, there are many Supras because they had a Supra meet yesterday and today as well. It was lots of fun lapping that car. Ain't well super fast, but as you can see, there's a big gathering of people around this car. Nobody cares about super fast because this is a classic 911 Kege, which is basically a Resta mod. Extremely beautiful. Lots of carbon fiber, leather. I would say it's basically German Zinga. Looks amazing. And then we here have the 930 RWB, the car that you already all have seen multiple times, but I think it has a bit of a different setup now.
It's all original 993.
Love the backpack. Ooh, is that a Supra? Fast forward back at Apex, already end of the day, almost pretty much. Oh wow, you can like
Either see how unfit I am or how warm it was.
yeah, either that. No, I wanted to say something like you can irrigate Sahara with that shirt or some stuff, you know.
Seriously, if there's ever a drought, just here.
Yeah. So how many bottles of water do you drink on a day?
Like 3 liters about. I
Yeah.
used to not drink enough, this is essential.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, we just did a lap with this E46 by Mr. Heel&Toe. We did a lap last year or 2 years ago in 1M.
In the 1M, 2 years ago, yeah?
Yeah. Last year we didn't do anything.
Nope.
No.
COVID, car wasn't ready,
Yeah,
everybody
yeah.
was here.
Yeah, so stay tuned for a lap with that. Yeah, that's basically pretty much it. It was quite special, quite interesting.
Glad you enjoyed it.
Oh yeah, definitely, I did.
Thanks for coming along.
Yeah, thanks for inviting. It's always nice. And someone in the comments said like, hey, why you never like do any laps with custom race tech car? And like, it's not that I don't want to, it's that no one invited me. So once someone commented like, yo.
Yep, I'm here. Misha's like, what's up with it? Just send me a screenshot.
Yeah.
1 day later, I'm here. So, anytime, Misha. Anytime.
Yeah, so if you have a car that you would like me to lap, help me out. It's not that like I can call Bugatti and like, yo, can I have a lap or Pagani? Otherwise I would be lapping Zonda R the whole day, you know. We need to get things done. So if you want to have something, help along. We definitely love to do laps with anything, and especially with this. See you. And I think that's also pretty much it from my side for today. It's, as mentioned, the end of today. It's yeah, track is open for another 1.5 hours, but it's been enough for me. I'm gonna go edit all the onboards that we had, and also this vlog and other videos, etc. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you in tomorrow when, I don't know what we're gonna do, probably something at the Nürburgring or Nürburgring related. So thanks for watching. Cheers.